Hi guys, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be another DIY video, and this DIY is perfect for someone who loves sweets, especially candies, because today we are going to learn how we can make simple secret candy messages. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Take a rectangle sheet of any size you want. I took 2.5 into 3.5 inches sheet and attach tape on the three sides and then fold it in the following manner. You can use Fevicol instead of tape also. Now take a small strip of paper and write your message on that, and then roll it and put it in the candy that we just made. Now seal the candy from both ends and give it a shape with your fingers. You can also cut the edges in this way to make it more realistic. Write a message if you want on the candy. Now take any mason jar or any kind of other jar or box of your choice and decorate it in any manner you want. I made a heart tag and wrote a message on that, and then I'll attach a ribbon on the seal. Now just put your candies in the jar and you are good to go. Give this jar full of candies to your loved ones. You can make this gift easily at your homes, and this will make the day very special for your loved ones.
So this was it for today's video. I hope you love this idea, and make sure you share your pictures if you apply this idea. I'll leave my Instagram and Facebook handles in the description box below. So do share your pictures, and if you like this, do like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you for watching. Bye.